Garrett Lund with the Lund team here at an exciting opportunity in Bressi Ranch on Paradise. Quintessential traditional home, really offers all, inside and outside, just immaculate. The owners have renovated the interior. It's got the cool modern colors, the grays throughout. The kitchen was recently painted all white. Just spectacular. Great floor plan, real open concept. Full bed and bathroom downstairs, 3 great rooms upstairs, real open kitchen concept. Flows out, you've got a nice little private side yard with a fire pit, fountain, sitting area. Really nice. You're literally walk to all the shopping just down the street here. You can walk to a world-class community pool area. But we're excited to have this. We know it's going to go fast, so call us 760-438-0800 or visit us at LundTeam.com for additional information. See you here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.